Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to track leads from Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets automatically. So let's suppose I am running an online business or I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Instagram lead ads. Now I want that whenever there is a new lead, I receive a new lead, the details of this lead should be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in Instagram lead ads, the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to track new leads from Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets automatically. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets. For this, I am going to submit a form and generate a lead, and as soon as I do this, all the details should be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here I am going to open my form. And this is the page for which I am generating the leads. So I am going to open this form, and this form has appeared in front of me where I am going to enter some dummy details. I have entered my first name, my last name, my email address, and then I am going to enter my phone number. I am simply going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. You will see as soon as I have submitted this form and generated a lead, all the details will be added to my spreadsheet. I'm quickly going to open my spreadsheet, and here it is. The first name was new, last name was user, email address was new123@pabblytudes.com, phone number was this. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to add new leads from Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets automatically. For this, we are going to create automation between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me take you towards this Pabbly community, which is an active forum where users, experts and Pabbly support team come together. They share tips and best practices, solve technical issues quickly, discover automation, integration and new use cases, learn from real-world examples shared by other users. You can ask your questions anytime. Someone from the community or support team usually replies very fast. You can connect with thousands of Pabbly users worldwide, share your workflows and get new idea. You can get early updates about new features, improvements and important notices. So by joining, you are never stuck alone. You become a part of a growing network of people who help each other automate smarter and faster. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, please check out the link given in the description below. Let us go back towards Pabbly, and after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. And if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. First, let's name this workflow as Track Leads from Instagram Lead Ads to Google Sheets automatically. And now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and here I am going to select it as Instagram Automations and then click on Create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to track the leads from Instagram lead ads to Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Instagram, it will be automatically added to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Instagram lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to capture a new lead from Instagram lead ads and then action says do this, then add the lead detail to my Google Sheets automatically. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Instagram lead ads, and then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Instagram lead ads, and then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new lead instant and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here it is written, you previously logged into Pabbly Connect with Facebook. Would you like to continue? So here my Facebook and my Instagram are connected, and that is why before authorizing this Instagram lead ads, Pabbly Connect is asking me, do you want to continue with that same Facebook account? So I'm going to click on this continue as that account itself. You can do this too because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. And here authorization successful, which means Instagram lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. Now in this drop down, you can find all the pages which has been created in my Facebook account. In the help desk, if you see, you can check this. Please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has correct manage page permission and then reconnect your account. Now, as I've told you earlier that I have already connected my Instagram with my Facebook. If I open my Instagram and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on the settings, and from here I'm going to click on the see more in account center. Now over here you can see that this is the same account. This is the same account on Facebook and Instagram, and we are connected. Here my Facebook account and my Instagram account are connected. We can check this also. So here I'm going to select the page which has been created in my Facebook. I have already created this page by the name Digital Dynamics. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my page as this one. I have to enter the lead gen form next. Now to enter this lead gen form, I have to open Meta for Developers platform. I'm going to open this Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. On the top, you can see all these options. I'm going to click on this resources and go towards the developer tools. If I scroll down, I can find all the options. I'm going to click on this lead ads audio debug tool. Let's open this. And here lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of me. First, I'm going to select the page, and the name of the page is Digital Dynamics. So from this drop down, I'm going to search for this page, which is this one. And if I open this form, you can see the form which has been created, and it has all these fields. In this Digital Dynamic form, I have all these fields: first name, last name, email, and phone. So I'm going to select this. Now, as I've selected this, I'm going to select the same form from this lead gen form drop down, which is this Digital Dynamic form. This is the same form which has been selected. If you want to capture the response from all forms which you have created, you can simply select it as all lead gen forms. So here I have selected the Digital Dynamic form. And now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and you will see that it will change to this waiting for the webhook response. And under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, which means I am going to submit the form or generate a lead, and as soon as I do this, I should receive the response in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup that we have created that is successful. So here I'm going to click on this preview form, but before submitting any form or before clicking on this preview form button, please make sure that you delete the lead, and then you have to make sure that you refresh this page once. After doing so, you again have to select your page. The page name was Digital Dynamics, and then you have to select the form. The form was Digital Dynamic form, and then click on preview form. So here I am going to enter these details: first name, last name, email, phone. I am going to enter my first name as latest, my last name as user, my email address as latest123@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on this continue and then click on this submit. As soon as I've done this form submission, I have generated a lead, and the lead details should be automatically received in my Pabbly Connect workflow. I'm going to open my workflow, and if I scroll down, I have received the response. The name is latest user, email address was latest123@pabblytudes.com, phone number was this, and we have received the rest of the details. Here, as soon as I've submitted the form, I've generated a lead and received the lead details in this workflow. And this shows the connection setup that we have created between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. That is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that lead detail to my Google Sheets. So in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action event, I'm going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets, and after choosing that account, you simply need to click on this allow. You can do this because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, and here Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the spreadsheet. Here I have created a spreadsheet by the name Instagram lead ads. So from this drop down, I'm going to select it as Instagram lead ads, and then I'm going to enter these details. Now over here you can see that I have all these details which I have in my spreadsheet: first name, last name, email and phone. I have received these details, so I have kept these details. I have removed one field which had city. If you want to capture all of the response, you can create that in your form and add that fields to your Google Sheet spreadsheet. As I have received these details, I have added that. Now I'm going to enter these details, but I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from Instagram lead ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Here I am going to enter the first name, then the last name by simply clicking on the response. I am going to enter the email address and the phone number. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request, and here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. Now let me quickly open my spreadsheet, and here we can see that we have instantly added the details. The first name is latest, last name is user, email address is this, phone number is this. Now to summarize, we took Instagram lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received a new lead, and as soon as we received the response, we added that to Google Sheet spreadsheet. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Instagram lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.